It's a gold roof.
How are you feeling?
Very good. Wow, look at that.
I have a bunch of friends who have gotten married in this church.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to get married in this church?
I am not gonna get married in a church.
Why not? On the beach?
Yep. Oh yeah. You totally got it. I'm definitely gonna get married.
Of course.
On the beach.
Wow! Is it still recording?
Yeah. Look at the guy staring at you.
Huh?
He's like a little man.
Oh wow, look at that. Ah. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Can I take video now? Ah. It's not on. Is it recording?
It is.
So this lady over here, Life by Taylor, loves the camera.
Oh.
Clearly.
We all could tell.
Yes, I do. I am not shy.
There's a podcast. This is a map of the Incas.
We're going first to the top spot and then we come back.
It's supposed to switch off. Oh, it wasn't recording the whole time. Damn. I'm going to charge you for that.
No, I'm gonna charge you for that.
No, it doesn't work that way.
Hey, one day that'll come.
I'll send you an invoice.
Mark my words, one day this footage will be worth a lot of money.
No, this is taking up space in my hard drive.
Please tune it up, the camera.
Is it on? Okay. I didn't turn it off. How do I turn the screen off there? Come on. GoPro, turn the screen off.
Why do they not take pictures?
I don't know why. I guess
Prepared?
No cameras.
You did that before, it doesn't look like.
No, I need to.
400 years. And that's why
After you?
a lot of curves.
Alright.